January 2025, if I was gonna start a YouTube channel today, this is what I would do. Now, I kind of know something about this. I have about 23,000 subscribers on YouTube, not the biggest channel, not the smallest channel. I have about 100,000 subscribers on TikTok, 50,000 on Facebook, and 50,000 on Instagram. So altogether, it's around 200,000, okay? So people have reached out to me and asked me, how have I built that community? So if I was starting a YouTube channel, what I would do is, first of all, I would start, okay? That's the biggest thing. It seems like everyone has a YouTube channel, but really nobody has a YouTube channel. If you actually start a YouTube channel, you'll be at such a small amount of the population. There's a lot of people that want it. You just got to do it. Just start a YouTube channel. Just create a Google account, figure out what your name is going to be. Okay, once you figure out what that name is going to be, make sure you get that name in Instagram, make sure you get it at Facebook, and all the socials. Even if you don't plan on being a TikToker, you don't plan on doing an Instagram, get that channel name locked down, okay? Create it all over the place. The next thing I would do is, once you figure out what your content is gonna be about, it could be about anything. It could be about DIY. If you wanna do DIY stuff, you wanna collaborate, let me know. If it's around DIY, finances, whatever, Pokemon, whatever it is, all right? Start making content right now, today. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be long form content, doesn't have to be short content. It could be both. And I would suggest you actually do both, do short, and do long. Get at least 20 videos. I would say get at least 20 videos. The reason why you want to do that is you want to make sure that whatever topic you decided to pick, that you can actually make content about. You know, if you get 5 videos in and you're pretty much done, then that's probably not going to be the best YouTube channel for you, because you're just not going to run out of content. If you get 20 in and you're like, man, I could do another 20, I have 20 other ideas, well, that's probably a really good genre or topic for you, so you know you probably have something good, all right? So at this point, you've just made 20 videos. You haven't done anything, you haven't posted anything. I don't know if you realize that. I didn't even say post on YouTube. I just said 20 videos, okay? Now, when you're filming these videos, don't get like crazy. You don't need to have GoPros and all this stuff, even though right now I'm using a GoPro. Just use your cell phone, okay? These cell phone cameras are awesome. There's a lot of big YouTubers out there that actually use a cell phone for most of their videos. If you want to edit something, you can use all kinds of free editors. Apple has a built-in free editor. I don't use that. I use LumaFusion, okay? Really cheap, about 30 bucks, lifetime, okay? It was told to me by a buddy, and it works really well. Start to get used to all that, and you know, don't get crazy with your first couple of videos with editing, because it'll take you forever. But get those videos made, get them edited, you know, and now you're at the point, you have the 20 videos, upload them to YouTube, all right? Don't make them live yet though. Now, when you go in, optimize them, you know, make sure you have the good thumbnails, make sure you have the good descriptions, of course, do all that stuff. But what I would do is post one every few days, okay? Because what these social media companies, or whatever you wanna call them, is they like consistency. It likes to see that you're posting like maybe every Tuesday or every Tuesday and Thursday, all right? The nice thing about that is if you have that backlog, you can keep posting and then keep creating, you know, and hopefully you just never run out, because every once in a while you have to go on vacation or something happens and you don't create any content for like a week. So it'd be really nice to have that backlog so you can keep showing the algorithm that you post every Tuesday and every Thursday, for example. Or maybe you post only once a week, maybe you post every month, okay? So whatever your cadence is, make sure you can match that. Building that backlog of videos up really will help you, okay? And this is what I'm doing with my newest channel now that I just created, which is Raw Family DIY TV. Now, the next thing is, don't get discouraged. This is the biggest thing I would say to most YouTubers. I don't know what the statistic is, but I'm sure there's tons of channels that are created, and after 6 months, people just get discouraged. They lose the little flame, they lose the, you know, the wanting to do it, and it just fizzles away, all right? I would say make sure you don't do that. Give it the first year, maybe give it the first 2 years. Keep posting, keep at it. You're gonna get faster at it, you're gonna get better at it, okay? Ask people to subscribe to your channel, reach out on social media, and try to get it out there. You know, if this is something you want to do, it's not going to just happen, okay? You always hear about the people that, oh, these people, like, they have 1 million subscribers, they got it in a month. It just doesn't happen, okay? This is a long-term, like most things in life, this is a long-term investment, but it will pay off after a while, you know, and it could pay off by a bunch of different things. The biggest thing it'll pay off is if you're making a channel to help people, the comments coming back of people saying thank you will really help you, okay? It'll help you make more content, it'll motivate you to do more and share more and help people, okay? You'll also have other things that come in with YouTube and being a TikToker. Maybe you'll eventually get free stuff that's sent to you every once in a while. Or maybe you'll be able to monetize your channel, which is the best thing you can do. You know, monetize the channel, get some extra income to come in, and you do whatever you want with that money. I have a lot of ideas of what you should do with that money. Me personally, I don't touch it, okay? I put it in a bank account and I let it sit there, okay? And then I use it for investments. Don't touch any of the money, but this is up to you. I want to end with one last thing. I'll probably make more of these videos. If you have any questions, please leave them down there in the comments below. That'll motivate me to make more of these type of videos. This is definitely different than any of my other videos. This is more of a DIY channel, you know, building stuff and fixing your own stuff. This is completely different, but this is how to create a YouTube channel, DIY, maybe just in a very high level, 7 steps. The last thing I would say is for anyone that's like my younger viewers, I know I have people that are in like high school, maybe even younger than that. Okay, I would encourage you to create a YouTube channel, but I want you to be very careful on what you put on your YouTube channel, okay? You already know at this point that everything you put online stays online forever. You delete the YouTube channel, you delete the YouTube video, that doesn't matter. It's already out there, okay? You're building a brand for yourself. So be very careful the words that you use. Don't be cursing in these videos. I would suggest that, right? I'm talking to my younger viewers. If you're older, hey, do whatever you want to do. You're an adult. But my younger viewers, please, if you're going to create a YouTube channel, you know, even if you're under 18, I would really even advise not even putting your face in it and making a YouTube channel that's like faceless. There's ways to do that. Okay? So my younger viewers, really just be careful. And the other thing I want to say is if you do have any questions, you want to talk about creating a YouTube channel, you know, this is all, I'm not gonna like charge you or anything. Reach out to me. You can email me at familydiytv@gmail.com. We can talk about what you want to do and I can help you out. Leave your comments down below. Other YouTubers maybe will see those comments and also comment and help you out as well. So just trying to build a community here, trying to help people, and I want people to help each other, okay? So I hope this was helpful. Again, this was just 7 quick tips things that off the top of my head. If you're watching this on Family DIY TV on YouTube, please go over to my other channel called Raw Family DIY TV as well. Please subscribe to that channel. Please like those videos and leave a comment. That really helps the algorithm. And I'm testing this theory out of adding a video every day because I have a giant backlog of videos on my Raw Family DIY TV channel, and every day I'm posting one. I'm not seeing the subscriber count jump up yet, all right? But like I told you, don't get discouraged. This is a marathon. Keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. I really hope this helped you, and I would say create your YouTube channel. If you did this, and if I motivated you to do it, please also leave me a comment down below or send me an email. I really would appreciate that.